I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the touch sampling rate comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. And one quick note, the guest appearance is the MI11 device which has 480Hz touch sampling rate. The test is going to be really interesting, friends, because I did add this kind of touch sampling rate applications into their game turbos and ultra game mode and game space. So it is a OnePlus 9R, IQ7 device, MI11X device and MI11 smartphone. So as I said, this video is going to be really interesting, so try to watch till end of the video. And there is another video which is a part 1 which I uploaded just yesterday without using any kind of game turbo or any enhancement mode. You can try to watch that video, friends. So this video is basically for the gamers. So why? Because the applications which I'm testing, they were added into the game turbo. So let me try to show you, friends, right now. As you can see right now, the multi-touch has been added into the OnePlus 9R's game space, as you can clearly see. The reason why I did this kind of testing is because in few of the smartphones like the IQ7 device, here is the IQ7 device, friends. So the touch sample rate of this phone is of 300 Hz. As you can see here, 300 Hz touch sampling rate, but it is only functional while gaming, so not while using. So that is the reason, because yesterday I did use the application without any kind of ultra game mode and the results were really shocking. But right now I did try to use this kind of ultra game mode and I'll be testing in this video, friends. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. So let me try to even show you in the MI11X device. As you can clearly see, that touch multi-touch and the another touch application also, both are added into the game turbo successfully. And the MI11X has got the touch sampling rate up to 360 Hz, as you can clearly see, friends, 360 Hz. So 240, 300, 360 Hz, and finally it is the MI11 device which has 480 Hz touch sampling rate. As you can clearly see, friends, 480 Hz, yes. And I did add into the game turbo mode. Let me try to quickly show you the game turbo. As you can see, friends, clearly I did add both applications. So now let's test which phone has a better kind of touch sampling rate after using this kind of game enhancement modes in all the four smartphones. So let's get started. So first I'll try to test in this 240 Hz OnePlus. As you can clearly see here, OnePlus has got 240 Hz touch sampling rate. I'm trying to show you all the proof from the official website only regarding the touch sampling rate results. And one more thing, I need to manage this touch sampling rate by refresh rate. And all the phones are using the 120 Hz refresh rate during this time of demonstration. So that is the thing, even I need to do it. And I do have the calculator ready, friends. So let's get started. Let's test one by one. This will actually give the real result for gamers, absolutely. So that is the reason I will be asking you to watch till end of the video, friends. So right now, as you can see up to 360 Hz it's going, the touch sampling rate. This is the application. It went up to 360, 356 and 355. So as a round figure, we will consider 360, friends, right now. So in the OnePlus, yesterday I got 240 Hz, but right now in this application I'm getting 360, but you need to do the minus thing with the refresh rate. So 360 minus 120. So which is actually 240. So which is the same company is claiming. So there is no problem in the OnePlus 9R device. So next is the IQ7 smartphone. So is the IQ7 device, as you can clearly see, friends. So let's do the testing in terms of the multi-touch. As you can see right now, it went up to 420. As you can clearly see, it's going up to 420, 415, 416. As you can clearly see, friends, in this IQ7 device. So 420 and 415, as you can clearly see. And now let me try to do the minus thing. So 420 minus 120 refresh rate to 300 Hz touch sampling rate is there in this phone. That is absolutely correct. No issues with that. And next is the MI11X smartphone. So it is the MI11X device, so which has 360 Hz touch sampling rate. As you can see right now, it's going up to 480. As you can see, 482 and 483 sometimes. But overall, I'll take the 480 as a round figure, friends, right now. In terms of touch sampling rate, as you can clearly see here, friends, 480. Let me try to do the math. So 480 minus 120 Hz refresh rate. So 360 Hz touch sampling rate is absolutely correct in the MI11X device. No problem. So till now, whatever the company they are claiming the touch sampling rate, it's actually present in all of the three smartphones. Let's check the beast phone. So which is the beast for all of the smartphones. Which company claims 460 Hz? So let's see, friends, whether we'll be able to get that or not. Yes, we are able to get that. As you can clearly see, we are getting about close to 580 Hz, as you can clearly see, friends, right now. So I did add into the game turbo all of this. You can clearly see everything is added into the game turbo right now, all of this mode. That's why you are able to see this kind of huge difference. As you can clearly see, friends, 580 I'm getting. in this Mi11 device, so which is a Snapdragon 8088 Beast one. So let me try to calculate 580. So 580 minus 120 Hz refresh rate, so 460 Hz touch sampling rate, which is absolutely correct right now. In the first application, we got to know that all the phones are supporting this exactly same kind of touch sampling rate what the company is claiming. So next, let's move to the second application, which is called another touch sampling rate test. So let me try to open this application. This is another really good application, friends, which you can actually test, demonstrate. All the phones are opened with the game turbos, ultra game mode and game space. As you can clearly see the difference, now we don't need the calculator. So this is a test which will determine the number of touch inputs it's taking per second, friends. So during this time, so I'll try to start from the OnePlus 9R. Let me try to start from the OnePlus 9R first. As you can see, a little bit kind of now you're getting straight lines, not dots. Now you're getting really good, not much, as you can clearly see here. Same thing in the IQ7 device as well. It's no issues. It's not like anything like yesterday till now. As you can clearly see, I'm trying to do it slowly. I'm trying to do. So next I'll try to do in very fast mode as well. This is a Mi11X device. It is a Mi11 device. It feels really smooth doing in this Mi11 device, friends. It's really good doing in this 460 Hz touch sampling rate. So next video will be on the PUBG touch sampling rate test. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. I'll try to do the video on that particular topic. So right now, as you can see, oh my god, it's really good on this Mi11X device. So now let's try to do it in very speed mode. Very speed I'm trying to do. As you can see, in speed mode you can observe one thing. The number of circles which got detected got increased from phone to phone. You can clearly see, friends, the touch inputs. So with the slow to the speed, you can clearly see the difference. Let me try to clear everything, and let me try to try again. I'm trying to clear the screen right now. So complete screen is cleared. So let me try to try with a very speed mode. As you can see, friends, right now with the speed, you can clearly see. So IQ7 and the OnePlus 9R are slightly close, but IQ7 little bit. And Mi11X, you can see here slightly more circles I can see here, so more touch it did recognize. That's a really good thing. And Mi11 which has 460 Hz, you can see more circles, so more touch inputs got detected, as you can clearly see, friends. So this is the quick comparison between 240 Hz, 300 Hz, 360 Hz and 460 Hz in one single video. This is going to be really epic, and really I love doing this kind of epic series every day. So make sure to stay tuned for more epic videos, friends, and very soon I'll be planning to do the PUBG drain test. So let's get wait for that video. Is a complete epic series which I added into the one single playlist. So try to check the playlist, and in case if you like this kind of content, and make sure to hit that like, friends. Definitely this will be really helpful for me in terms of making more and more videos. That keeps me motivating in terms of uploading more and more videos for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to check the links in description for more videos. And in case if you're planning to buy one of the smartphones, so make sure to definitely use my link to buy. So that will definitely help me and support me in buying new phones. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Until then, bye.